Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to check Valorant server status. In order to check the Valorant server status, we have to first open up our browser. In the search panel, we will type status.riotgames.com. Hit enter. Now press continue. Now in the bottom of the screen we have to select Valorant. Now you will select the server you currently are playing in, as well as the language. I play on Asia Pacific, so I'll just hit continue. And if any issues come up, they'll report it here. That's how you check Valorant server status. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.